Welcome to the Epoint Post tutorials. Today, I am going to share how our system's quantity change function works. How to get here. You may refer back my previous tutorial. Let's get started. Let's open a new table and place some order. Select one of the items you wish to change the quantity. Hit the Change Quantity button. Select the quantity amount and hit the OK button. Verify the item, then hit Confirm button. You successfully changed the quantity for the item. It is done. Remember, quantity change function only allowed for those orders that haven't hold sales, save or sent to kitchen. Systems will prompt alert message, notify that your items already saved before. So this quantity change function is not allowed during this status. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others' tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.